Hi, in this video, we are discussing the eighth numerical from the exercise for the chapter Laws of Motion, which is also the fourth chapter for 11th standard physics. So, सबसे पहले हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में बताया गया है कि we have two galaxies with certain mass. तो for example, हम represent कर रहे हैं galaxy 1 with mass m1 and galaxy 2 with mass m2. And we have been told कि दोनों galaxies are separated by a distance r. And ये तीनों m1, m2 और r की values हमको हमारे क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. Okay, and the masses of the galaxies are given to us in solar mass. Solar mass means mass of our sun. So one sun ka mass is one solar mass, and we have been given the distance in terms of light years, which is another unit for calculating distance. And based on this, हमें एक situation दी गई है कि हमारा जो sun है that is supposed to move from these two galaxies. ठीक है, so जब sun किसी galaxy के around move कर रहा है, so we know that celestial bodies आपस में gravitational force exert करते हैं. Now the mass of this galaxy is way greater than sun. To be specific, it is 9 billion times the mass of sun. So it will exert a large amount of gravitational force on sun, because of which this sun would get attracted towards this galaxy. Similarly for galaxy 2, this is also इसका जो mass है sun के comparison में काफी बड़ा है, 4 billion times है. So it will also exert some force towards ये, and chances are कि sun will also get attracted towards galaxy 2. So either or किसी भी एक galaxy के तरफ attraction होने का chances है. हमें पूछा गया है कि find a point such that कि वो point पे sun neither gets attracted towards galaxy with mass m1 or towards galaxy with mass m2. So sort of a neutral point हमें पूछा गया है, so that where sun can pass through. And उस point का हमें location जो है देना है. So हमें क्या देना है? We have to give the location of the point with which from which our sun should pass. So let us assume that this point जो हमने diagram में represent किया है, that is the neutral point, and we are saying that this point is at a distance x from our galaxy with mass m1. So हमने इसको reference माना है और इसी से सारा distance calculate किया है. Fun fact, if this distance is x, that is the center between two ये, so the distance between center of sun and center of this galaxy should be r minus x, because r is the total distance, this is x, so this distance should be r minus x. Okay, that was just a prerequisite. Based on this, let us calculate the given data quickly. हमें given है mass of galaxy m1, mass of galaxy m2, 9 billion solar mass, that is 9 billion times mass of one sun, 4 billion times the mass of one sun. And similarly हमको distance दिया गया है r as 5 million light years. 5 million is 5 into 10 to the 6. This is 5 followed by 6 zeros. And now we also said that, as we mentioned, let x be the distance for the neutral point from galaxy with mass m1. And based on this, we have to find this particular x, that is the location of the neutral point. What sort of formulas we'll be using? Well, we'll be using the gravitational formulas, because as I said, celestial bodies here, they exert gravitational force among themselves. So gravitation का ये हमको definition वाला formula use करेंगे. And then we have the condition for neutral point. The force exerted by galaxy with mass m1 should counter the force exerted by galaxy with mass m2. So वही किया है कि दोनों forces should be equal for our neutral point. So let us quickly solve it. As per condition 2, if we substitute the following values in the formulas, so mass of galaxy m1 and mass of sun, mass of galaxy m2, mass of sun, and the respective distances, as we explained, if this is x, this has to be r minus x. Okay, and यहाँ से if you can see, we can cancel g from both the sides, we can cancel mass of sun from both the sides, and this has simplified our equation to this particular term where we have masses of the two galaxies and the distances. Now we know m1 and m2 ka value, so let us quickly substitute those values from both the sides. One thing for sure is, like, we can cancel this 10 raised to 9 straight away. So अगर हमने वो cancel किया तो we have a little bit simplified term. Now you can solve this, you can expand this bracket and then multiply and then solve this, or then you can also use certain hacks. So as you can see, I see 9 and I see 4, and I can tell that both of these have a definite square root. So if I take square root throughout, I get 3 by x is equal to 2 by r minus x. Further solving, I get x as 3 by 5 times of r. where r is what? R is the distance between the two galaxies, which is given to us. So if we were to substitute the value of r, we would get 3 by 5 times the 5 million light years. 5 gets cancelled, so the distance x comes out to be 3 into 10 raised to 6 light years, which is 3 million light years. So the location of the neutral point from which the sun should cross should be 3 million light years from the galaxy with mass 9 billion solar mass. So इस गैलेक्सी से 3 million light years से अगर सन पास करेगा, so it would not experience any attractive force towards any of the galaxies. If you want the PDF of the solution, it's available in the description box, so make sure you check that out. With this, I hope this helped you. Thank you.